How to effectively clean a hospital operating room using a CPI pre-treated microfiber systems. First, start by taking your hand trowel and grabbing the desired CPI 9-inch pad. Then, proceed to clean all surfaces, keeping a leading edge and going around the edges. Once finished, dispose of the pad in your e-cart's laundry bag. You have the option to clean with either a snow pad or a wave pad. Once the surfaces and desired areas are clean, to mop the floor, take your E-handle and pocket frame. Place your pocket frame into the E-wave mop. Snap down, fitting the mop snugly onto the E-pocket frame. Twist the handle and bring to nose height. Lay your first line of solution down the middle of the room. Head to the edge of the room, flipping the mop up to clean the skirting boards effectively. Once the skirting boards are clean, flip the mop back down around the edge of the room, cutting in. Once you cut in, proceed to clean the room in an S shape, keeping a leading edge and running through that first line of solution that you laid down in the first place. Then simply twist the handle back, pick up the mop, press the button on the back, and drop your E-wave mop into your e-cart's laundry bag, disposing of it effectively.